picturesque town of Galamares, nestled against the stunning backdrop of the Sintra mountains, a unique architectural gem, stands as a testament to the seamless integration of nature and minimalist design. Designed by the talented Vasco Lima Mayer, the house in Galamares is not just a dwelling, it's a personal masterpiece that reflects the architect's journey from student to professional. Mayer embarked on the design of this house during his student years, making it a deeply personal and cherished project. The result is a residence that exudes serenity and sophistication, characterized by expansive and luminous spaces that seamlessly blend the interior with the surrounding landscape. The minimalist identity of the project is honored through the use of understated materials and soft tones, creating a canvas of beige walls, white slabs, glass, wood, and zinc. Every choice made in the design process contributes to the overall beauty of simplicity, manifesting not only in the grandeur of the entire space, but also in the minute details that define it. While the interior is a testament to minimalist aesthetics, the true protagonist of the house in Galamares is the nature just beyond its walls. Sliding windows act as canvases, framing a living painting of lush greenery and providing unobstructed views of the Sintra mountains. The architect's decision to prioritize these vistas reinforces the profound connection between the dwelling and its natural surroundings. Respecting and coexisting with the environment was a fundamental consideration in the design of the house in Galamares. To harmonize with the landscape, half of the house is gracefully buried into the land, creating an illusion of a single floor when viewed from the entrance on the upper level. This architectural choice not only integrates the residence into the mountainous habitat, but also imbues it with a timeless quality, as if it has been an integral part of the surroundings for generations. The house in Galamares stands as an ode to the beauty of simplicity and a celebration of the natural world. Its design philosophy, rooted in minimalism, allows residents to experience a serene and uncluttered living environment while fostering a deep connection with the landscape. The architect's careful selection of materials, strategic use of space, and dedication to respecting the environment showcase a masterful blend of aesthetics and functionality. As one gazes through the sliding windows and contemplates the unspoiled beauty of the Sintra mountains, it becomes evident that the house in Galamares is not just a residence. It's a living canvas that evolves with the changing seasons. Through the lens of Vasco Lima Mayer's vision, this house becomes a timeless piece of architectural poetry, inviting residents to connect with nature and embrace the elegance of simplicity in every corner.